what's up guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm MC Car Kid, and right behind me I have the 1996 Camaro Z28. It is part of the 3 new cars the owner of the game added to Greenville, like a day or two ago, I don't know. But this is the 1996 Chevy Camaro Z28. It's pretty nice, Let's hop in. It looks like it's a convertible, unless the roof is just supposed to be black. But let's hop in. And the startup, it's okay. Let's rev it a few times. Sound, it sounds like some other cars. I kind of expect that. Reverse lights, headlights, taillights, turn signals in the back. It's all pretty simple. Let's take it out for a test drive. This thing costs about $15,700, and you don't need any passes to get it. You don't need the luxury pass, you don't need the classics pass. You don't need any passes to get it. Now, let's bring it onto the highway. Top speed test. I'm gonna say about 120 by the way it acts before you get to the top speed. Now I'm doing these cars in year order, but the 3 cars that were added, of course, are this 1996 Chevy Camaro Z28, the 2012 Nissan Sentra SR. Ooh, top speed is 133 miles an hour. The second car is the 2012 Nissan Sentra SR. Then the third car, which I'm super excited about, is the Ram 3500 Dually, which drives so well. But 133 in 4th gear is the top speed of the car. Pretty good. It's not the best. Could be probably better, but it's fine. The braking is pretty good. Styling wise, it looks like a real car. These wheels though, they look like hubcaps. Not a fan at all. Not a fan. And then there's no visible exhaust tips. Of course there is an exhaust tip because it's not electric. But the license plate, traditional spots, completely debadged. Like most of the new cars Milk adds into the game. That was completely illegal and completely unnecessary. But otherwise, I like it. I would drive it. Sometimes. I wouldn't say always. The horn, pretty traditional horn sound. There's nothing really special about this car. So, with that out of the way, let's hop into the next one. So the next one is the 2012 Nissan Sentra SR in Aspen White. It looks like the real car. I love the rims on it. And let's hop in and listen for a startup. This sounds okay. A little bit riced, maybe. Tell me what you guys think about my opinion in the comments. I wouldn't say completely riced. A little bit. It's not like fart can rice, but it's okay. Again, taillights, headlights, turn signals. I guess there are no hazards in it, so if you guys are looking for hazards, you're not gonna get hazards. Don't ask me why, but it's just the way it is. No hazards. This thing, I feel like will be a little bit slower top speed wise. 115, 130, 120 maybe slower. But while we're at it, let's try it. The acceleration seems really slow. Like 0 to 80 seems very slow. But the handling is okay. Oh, El Camino. And while I'm at it, I might as well just do a 0 to 60 test. So let me get my clock ready on my phone. Stopwatch. 3, 2, 1, go. I don't know if it's gonna hit 60 on this road, but I hope it does. Either way, I'll just go off the road. 60, 10.2 seconds. I hit it the tiniest bit late, so it's probably like 10.1 seconds, but that's like 1/100th of a second or 1/10 of a second off. So 10.2 seconds. It's not that fast. I didn't do a 0 to 60 test in the Camaro. Please don't annoy me about it. But the car is awfully short. I know the Sentra in real life is a small car, especially the 2012 Sentra. That guy's on the wrong side of the road. But the horn, it's a horn. It's a horn. It's awfully short. I love the rims and their styling. They're like 5 double spoke rims. 5 spoke double. Spoke! Move, move, move. He hit me, but I'm gonna say he almost hit me. Same with the cop almost hit me. Unless that was me almost hitting him. I know it says no U-turn. Too bad. The new car's handling, they could be probably better. The server's crazy. I should get back to private servers, because this server's crazy. Yoo-hoo. Just drives off. And I hit the Ferrari. I hit a Ferrari, yay. Stop. You're meant to give way to me. Yeah, sure. What did he say? I'm not meant to give way to you, idiot. It was probably him pulling out, and the guy in the Ferrari was just flooring it and rammed into him. He's probably mad now because I brake checked him, or no. But let's stop following me, dude. Let's get into the next car, which is the 2012 Ram 3500 dually. I have it in saddle brown, and this thing is a heck of a car. This is the first dually I've ever seen in any Roblox game. But headlights, these lights up here light up to those lights are actually because of how wide it is. The lights on the side and in the back, the exhaust is just huge. Taillights, oops, turn signals, pretty traditional stuff. But I love the way this sounds, and the horn. I love the way this sounds. This is actually right now one of my main cars. To be completely honest, it's one of my main cars. Go Mercedes, go, go. It's one of my main cars. Like no joke. I absolutely love this car. It's wide, but it sounds good. It's fast. Top speed, I think, is like 115. We're gonna do the top speed test. 114. We're also gonna do a 0 to 60 test. Right here, we're gonna stop. Stop. 3, 2, 3, 2, 1, go. I was already going a mile an hour. Doesn't really make a difference. This thing is so much bigger and heavier and longer and wider than the Sentra. But it's 4 seconds faster. The 0 to 60 was 6.4 seconds. That's faster than some new sedan. In a big, I hit 150. Top speed is 115. In this big truck that I absolutely love, I hit 6.4 seconds 0 to 60. Insane. The large exhaust tip too. This one is visible. And it comes out the side. But it's insane. It's pretty long and wide, actually. No, it is an off-road car, so might as well just drive it like a crazy person. I almost hit them. Let's go to the animal hospital just to show you how wide and how long it really is. Skirt! It's an off-road car, it's supposed to do that. So I'm gonna pull into one of these spots and try and get out. This is long. Alright, well, I'm gonna wrap it up there. If you guys enjoyed, smash the like button. Go check out my new channel, Unbox Central, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Like, subscribe. Peace!